Hey YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. I'm gonna make this kind of a quick video. I wasn't gonna do it today. I was gonna probably wait till tomorrow or Friday, but I figured I could probably squeeze it in before I have to go to work today. So I want to touch bases on the Acronis backup program, and this is something that I've been kind of having issues with, and I'm not sure if others have been having issues, so I wanted to just put some type of help video out in case people have been having problems with this. When you start, sometimes when you want to back up your program, I will say for me, when I've tried to do a restore on the Acronis backup program, when I put in the flash drive that I created, or when you make the in the tools area, when you make the rescue media builder, I've been having issues where I would plug it in, and when I restart the computer, it wouldn't start up Acronis. It'd be like just a blank screen. I mean, I'd leave it up there for a long time and nothing would happen. So what I've come to understand from my experience is that every now and then, and I'm not certain, but it may have something to do with Windows updates, is that you have to create a rescue builder over again. So I don't know why that happens, but if you've had issues where you've plugged it in your Acronis media flash drive and you got nothing but a blank screen, Acronis didn't pop up or anything like that, well, without that Acronis rescue media builder, you aren't able to back up your computer, or restore, I should say, restore your computer, or actually even get into the Acronis program itself. So every now and then you need to go and create the rescue media builder. You can use the same flash drive that you have Acronis on, but you need to do this every now and again. And if you get a chance, test your rescue media builder flash drive to make sure that Acronis is still working. It's not going to hurt anything. If anything, it's going to assure you that the program is running. And we have there are several persons, including myself, who have tutorials showing you how to create a rescue media flash drive. But if you're not certain, just open up your Acronis program, and you're probably going to be right here in this section right here, the backup section. Come over to the left and click on Tools. You're going to come over and click on Rescue Media Builder. It's going to open up this window. You want to do Simple, click on the Simple button, and when you plug in your USB external flash drive, it's going to show up in this area. And when you select that, it'll give you some more steps. Just make sure it's something that's simplistic, and you should have no problems in getting it synced or copied over to the flash drive. Once it's completed, I highly recommend that you do test the drive to make certain that it's working. If it's working, you're good, you're fine. If it's not, try it again. Hopefully it should work. So I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.